Are you looking to upgrade your audio experience, but you're not sure what headset to go with? I know there's a lot of options out there, but today I'm going to tell you why maybe a headset isn't the right choice. Over the years of gaming and PC audio, I've used a lot of different headsets and headphones, which are all great for different reasons, but I think I found something that might be better. Recently, I picked up this pair of wired in-ear monitors that completely changed the way I think about audio. Now, I know everyone has different preferences when it comes to their listening device, whether they like them wired, wireless, over the ear, in the ear, all that kind of different stuff, but I'm going to give you my experience switching over to these in-ear monitors, and maybe you'll find out if this is the right switch for you. Before we dive into how good I think these wired in-ear monitors are, I want to give a few of the reasons why I don't like headsets. Now, although some headsets are much more comfortable than others, there are a few reasons why I don't like to wear headsets for a long period of time. One of them can be glasses is a big one. I even have nice thin glasses from Gamer Advantage, but when you're wearing headphones over your ears that push against the sides of your glasses for a long period of time, that can get really irritating and make your head get sore over a long period of time. Another one, if you have long hair like me, sometimes wearing a headset on the top of your head gets really annoying, especially if you have a hat on or something like that. And I end up getting these real sore spots on the top of my head if you're wearing a headset for multiple hours, whether you're live streaming or just gaming with friends or wearing them during work, whatever it may be. You can get a lot of head irritations and start to get headaches and stuff like that from wearing headsets for a really long time. Now, although wireless is really great for flexibility and being able to get away from your desk whenever you need to, I personally like to monitor my audio directly from my XLR interface, which requires me to go with something wired so that I can monitor in real time what my voice is saying when I'm doing something like live streaming or things like that, and make sure all of my levels are even and sounding good the way I want them to be. Now, I know a lot of gaming headsets can be really expensive, and if either you don't have a lot of money to spend on upgrading to something new, or you just don't want to spend a lot of money on a listening device, but you still want a good high quality, these in-ear monitors that I picked up are going to be a great price because they're only 22 bucks. When I first found out about these in-ear monitors for only $22, I was really skeptical, to be honest. I wasn't really sure what kind of quality you would get out of a pair of headphones that are only 20 bucks. I mean, how good can they really be? But I figured I'd give it a try anyway and see what they had to offer. And to be honest, I was really impressed. So the headphones that I picked up are from a company called KZ, and the model I picked up are the ZST-X model in-ear monitors, and you can pick them up right now on Amazon for 22 bucks. I'll put a link in the description down below if you're interested in checking them out. I was really impressed with the sound quality of these in-ear monitors for the price, especially if you're doing something like gaming, playing first-person shooters or something like that, where you need to hear extra footsteps and a lot of that extra detailed audio. Having these things right in your ears means you get a really crisp sound and all the extra details you need to hear, and you don't even have to worry about the batteries dying in the middle of your game either. A couple other cool features I like about these KZ monitors is they have interchangeable rubber pieces on them, so you can make sure you get the ones that fit really nicely in your ears to make sure they're not coming loose or whatever. They actually come in a variety of different colors. I think this model specifically comes in a black, a cyan, and a purple. And although I haven't tried them out and maybe don't have that much faith in them, they also come with an option that has a microphone built into them as well. So hopefully you found that helpful, and maybe you'll consider checking out these $20 pair of in-ear monitors before you go and spend a whole bunch of extra money on a new gaming headset. If you did enjoy this video, consider checking out this other video here where I talk about why your routine might be killing your creativity.